Want to know how to check if your number is neon in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, a neon number is simply something that equals the sum of the digits of its square. So example, a 9 can be 9 to the power 2, so 9 square, which is 81, and 8 plus 1 equals to 9, so 9 is neon. So it's basically code flow. So in this code we square the number and peel off the digits with modulus 10. So right here you can see divide by 10 or modulus 10. We accumulate the sum and then compare it to the original, and it's compact. The digit of n square, and it's fun for number theory reasons. We swap n to test quickly with other values like 1 or 0, as you can see in the code as well. And that's it. They are neon too. I hope this video helped. I'm just going to run it up to see if it is, and it is indeed a neon number. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.